This is one of the bathrooms. We've got to step up the bathtub sections. The bathtub will sit on top of this. We made sure that we've got enough height for the drainage, and also the mixer, wall mixers for the basins, a double basin vanity. It's right in the center. And here we got a niche with the LED strip light inside. We made sure that the shower head is sitting on the center of the shower, and also the drainage is all in one line. And then we're gonna have a shower screen fully enclosed with the door opening that way. It's very critical when you do the roughing. Plumbing roughing is a very critical stage of a renovation. So you need to make sure that everything's on the right spot. If not, then after the tiling, waterproofing, all the fittings and fixtures going to be installed, when you want to install the items, you may have problems. And then you need to rip everything out and then put everything back in, fix it, and then put everything back in, start from the scratch again. So which adding extra cost and damage to the whole project. We need to make sure that the drainage is off the wall is as per the specs, and all the items, the PC items we call it, for the bathtub, all the tapwares needs to be checked before the roughing. So we always provide a spec sheet to the plumber in order to triple check what height they need to be installed and how that's going to be happening. We've got here our waterproofer working. We always give him a bit of hard time, but he's been kind enough looking after everyone. So we're doing waterproofing using Sikaflex for the product. It's one of the best products in the market. And also we need to make sure that we seal all around the openings when we do the roughing. All the edges needs to be sealed properly, and all the corners, the junctions. The main point of contact of the water damages, once that's happening, is all on the junctions, mainly with the wall and the floor. So we need to make sure that we seal all the corners. And here we check all the roughings. We've got the shower, that section. We've got a double basin vanity here, and we've got the toilet here. We put a niche above the toilets. It's a high-end project that we do. And then entire floors tiling we do throughout the whole house. And here we replaced the double garage door to a single garage door. We removed the main pillar at the center. But before doing that, we engaged a structural engineer to come and inspect and provide us with the structural engineering drawings to make sure that everything's as per specs and standards. And as you can see here, we blocked that wall and then this section. So we have a sectional garage door with the remote, and the system has been installed already. We created a big opening here as well. The big window has been installed, and that section will be the kitchen area. This section will be the fireplace. We made sure that it's one of the biggest and complex fireplaces that requires a gas connection and all. So we made sure that we build a frame and everything's as per Australian standards. Make sure fire check plaster is used, so it's fire rated. And here we've got a fish tank going to be installed here. We did the chasing, so today we're gonna increase the strength of the reinforcement bars within the slab. So by drilling every 300 mil and put the bars in and inject the chemical, and then we pour the concrete again. All the bedrooms, we did the roughing for the outside barbecue. Laundry here. The sink going to sit there, the washing machine, dryer. And then we're gonna make sure when we do the waterproofing, if there's a skirting tiles going to be installed, we're gonna make sure it's at a certain height. So if you waterproof at the 250 or 300 mil, then when you want to tile, so your tile skating can't be 300 mil, it's gonna be too high. So you need to inform the waterproofer at early stage that not going above the line, so to stay 100 mil or 120 mil. As per the specs, whatever client prefers, and we follow that. So that's the wrap up for today.